Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create landing page for CPA offer. What is CPA? CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. So for example, have you ever seen a pop-up that is asking you for your email address or your name? Well, once you have entered your email address or name in that particular pop-up or landing page, the person that created the landing page will be able to get paid. So that is what CPA is all about. So the first thing you'll need to do is sign up to a CPA market platform. For this example, I will be using CPA Grip as it's completely free to sign up and it's also beginner friendly, and as far as I can understand, it is available worldwide. So you can give CPA Grip a try. Once you have signed up to CPA Grip, you will be redirected to this page, which is the dashboard. And from here, you can see how much persons are earning. As you can see, this person has earned over $4,000 and they have gathered over 2,000 leads, as you can see right here. The first thing you're going to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you'll see monetization tools. So you can either select if you would like to do content lockers, and content lockers will be, for example, a person will be able to read a portion of a content or see a portion of the content, and then to access the rest they either have to enter their name, an email address, or some form of information. And also you can select right here offer tools, and you could select my offers, and from there you'll be able to see numerous offers, numerous CPA offers, as you can see right here. And it all depends on the country that you're in. Your country you're in is going to automatically be selected. As you can see, Jamaica is selected right here. But let's say you want to target persons in the United States, as it tends to have a higher payout once you are targeting persons in the first once you are targeting persons in United States or Canada or the United Kingdom, it tends to have a higher payout. So as you can see right here, for persons to enter their email and zip, you will be able to get $1 per payout. And you can see this one here is paying $206. And also this one that offers a free Amazon gift card, it's paying $2.40. And the first thing you'll need to do is simply tap on the offer that you would like to promote. Then you'll be led to this page. And from here, if I were to copy this link and paste it in the URL, you'll be able to see what would be the landing page. So you can see right here what is the offer landing page. So all the person will need to do is fill in their gender, and then they'll ask them another question. And by them doing this, you'll be able to get $2.40. So now to create our landing page. The platform that we'll be using to create our landing page is Systeme.io. The reason why I recommend Systeme.io is because it is completely free. It is also beginner friendly, meaning that the user face is quite easy for anyone to understand and use, even if you're a complete beginner to online marketing. Once you have signed up to Systeme.io with your email address and created a password, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, I want you to tap on funnels. After selecting funnels, you'll be redirected to this page, and in the right hand corner, you're going to select create. After selecting create, you can name the page. So for example, I will name this one landing page. Then from here, you can select whether you want to build an audience, custom, run an evergreen webinar, or sell product. So for this example, I will select custom. After selecting custom, you are going to select the currency from here, and the currency doesn't really matter, but you can select whichever currency you want. So I'll select USD. Then you'll scroll down and tap on save. After you have selected save, you're going to come over and you're going to tap on the page name. After you have tapped on the page name, you will be redirected to this page right here. And from here, we'll be able to start creating our landing page. So the first thing you're going to do is tap in the top left hand corner and add step. Then from here you're going to type in the page name, for example landing page. Then you're going to select type, and from there you can scroll down until you see a type. So for this example I'm creating a landing page, so let me see if they have landing page. So let's a sales page right here. So I could tap on sales page, or you could select squeeze page, one out of those two options. So you could select squeeze page if you want, and then you will tap on save. After you have selected save, you will see numerous templates that you can choose from, and here are some beautiful landing page templates that you can use, and you can scroll down until you see one that you like. For this example I'll use this one right here, so I'll tap on select. After you have selected it, what I want you to do right here, you could edit the URL. So you'll type in landing page for the URL. After you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see the diskette, so you're going to save it. Once you have saved it, you're going to select the third icon, which is the edit page. And once you tap on that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, on which we'll be able to make some changes. So the first thing you can do, for example, we said the offer that we'll be promoting is this one right here, to get free Amazon gift card. So I'll copy this right here. Then I'm going to go back into the editor and I'm going to paste it right here. So I will select all of this and I'm going to paste it right here. As you can see right here, get your Amazon gift card. And then you can scroll down and you can also edit the top section right here. So all you'll have to do to remove it, you can simply hover over it, then you'll tap on the trash can and you'll now be able to delete it, as you can see right there. So you can delete that section. Also, if you would like to change the background, you can change the background. All you have to do is tap on it. After you have done that, you will see the option on the left hand menu option right here, where you can change the background. So if you would like to add a background color, you could do that. So for example, if you want to change the color to yellow or so on, you could do that. Also, if you would like to add a background image, you could upload a background image. But once it is to your liking, all you'll have to do is scroll up, then go back. And from here, we can edit any section. So for example, you can see at the moment they're asking persons to enter their first name and email address. All we'll need them to do is enter their email address to claim the free offer. So I'm going to clear this section right here. Then I'm going to edit the text that says enter your email. So I'm going to say enter your email address to claim offer. And you can see right here, submit. I'm going to clear this section right here. So I'll simply tap on it. And by the way, if you would like to add a video or so on, you could go over to the left hand menu option. And from there, you could select video or anything that you would like to add. Any one of the elements, you can add them right there. And you can scroll down and you can delete all of the sections from the pages. So we could delete all of this section right here by simply tapping on the trash can, and then we'll be able to delete all of that section. So let me do that real quick. So we only have the main page right here. Let me delete this also. So I could delete this entire row, delete this entire row also, and delete this row also. And once I'm done, you can see the main page right here. So we can you'll delete all of the pages and leave only one page, which is the first page, as that's all we need. So you can delete all of the sections otherwise. So let me do that real quick. Once you have deleted all of the sections, what I would recommend you do now, we're going to go back into CPA Grip. We can go back into CPA Grip, and from here we can copy the URL. So we'll tap on copy link. After you have copied the link, you're going to go back into editor, and once in editor, right where you see submit, you're going to tap on that, and from here you will see the option action when button clicked, and you will see send form, and then you can choose whether you would like them to open URL, and we are going to do that. So we are going to select open URL, then we are going to paste the CPA offer URL right here, and after you have pasted it, you are going to tap on the diskette to save it, and once you have saved it, you are going to see right there. So let me go back, then we'll tap on save in the top right hand corner, and after you have saved it, from there, for example, you could tap on the icon at the top to exit. So let me do that so that you can see how it would look, or I could tap on the eye right here to preview it so that you can see how it looks. This would be the squeeze page, as you can see right here, and if I were to tap on submit, you can see that it leads me to the landing page, as you can see right there, which is the CPA offer. So now all you'll have to do after you have finished doing all of your changes and you have tapped on save change in the top right hand corner, you could tap on exit in the top right hand corner also. And once you have exited it, all you'll need to do now is tap right where you see this share icon right here, and you'll be able to view the tunnel. So you can tap on that and you can see your landing page right here, and you can copy the URL and share it, and this will be your new landing page. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.